What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we need to talk about what's going on within the market. As you guys know, today is Good Friday, which means the stock market is closed. And that means we're not going to be seeing much movement more than likely this weekend. However, we are getting very close to our support levels on a lot of the cryptos. So I would think maybe we will see some sort of movement this weekend here, but it's too early to tell. What that means is, with the stock market closed, we have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 3 days. We closed Thursday afternoon, yesterday afternoon. Now we have 3 days of just full market closure here on the stock market. And that means we might not be seeing much movement within a lot of these cryptos. Solana is getting dangerously close to its uptrend here. XRP has a little bit of room to hang out and trade sideways here. But now that the stock market's closed, we'll see what exactly happens. We are expecting to see a little recovery reversal off that. Ethereum on the 4-hour has trended outside. It's very, very tiny hourly descending bull flag. Same thing with Bitcoin, so we're going to have to tweak these and kind of change the pattern up, because looking at these cryptos on the hourly charts, as I said, anything can happen here. It is a total crapshoot, shot in the dark. So we're going to have to tweak the charts ever so slightly. I'm starting to see some sort of uptrend forming, which is definitely a good sign. So that's good news across the board here. But before we go any further into covering all these cryptos and what's to come this weekend into next week here, I want to give a huge shout out to Go Mining for sponsoring today's video yet again. Basically, Go Mining is a way for you to earn passive income by investing into digital NFT miners here that earn you Bitcoin every single day passively here. If you want to stay away from trading or just diversify your portfolio, this is an opportunity here. You can buy digital miners backed by real power of their data centers and receive rewards every single day from it. Upgrade your mining farm, complete simple daily tasks, and get involved in the game to increase your profits. Super cool. More information about Go Mining, it will be later on in today's video. Also, remember, guys, that we are still doing the $200 SHIB giveaway and the $200 future bonus for depositing into, the BidFi account. All you got to do is sign up with the link down in the description, and you can win free Shiba Inu as well as get free $200. Up $400 they're giving away in free cryptocurrency, so you might as well go claim it down in the description below. And we're also doing this giveaway here. Drawing will be Sunday morning, so we have 2 days to go. Saturday and then Sunday morning we'll be giving that giveaway away. So it's still not too late if you want to take part in the Amazon gift card giveaway as well as the BidFi merch giveaway here. All you got to do is comment your favorite crypto down in the comment section below, as well as subscribe to the channel, and it's literally that simple. That being said, make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. Let's jump right into today's video. I want to give a huge shout out to Go Mining, a continued sponsor on the channel for today's episode. Now, as with all cryptocurrency projects and tokens, please do your own research and never invest anything you can't afford to lose. So guys, Go Mining is a pioneering platform that transforms the landscape of digital mining. Go Mining offers a new way of earning Bitcoin by avoiding the difficulties associated with purchasing and maintaining mining equipment. They have even introduced the concept of buying NFTs as a means to acquire a share of hash rate power already dedicated to Bitcoin mining, which is what I want to show you today. Simply by purchasing their NFT, you obtain a portion of the power of these real cryptocurrency mining machines. So let me show you how it's done. The first thing you need to do is create a Go Mining account. Then you need to purchase a miner of your choosing, and in order to do that, you need to fund your account with Go Mining, the native token. With my MetaMask account loaded using funds I sent over from the BidFi exchange, around $35 worth of BNB, I can then swap it for Go Mining on PancakeSwap. Next, it's time to buy an NFT. Head on over to either the primary or secondary market, where you can either create a miner on the primary section for cheap, 1 terahash, or purchase them. Miners can also be purchased fiat or crypto, and on the secondary market, you can even buy it for Go Mining, which is what I'm going to do today. I'm going to purchase one of the miners on the secondary market, which means I'm buying from a private seller, and it's literally that simple. Check it out. Here is its historical ROI and what it's anticipated to produce. With cryptocurrency on the rise, this is a great option for passive income, and I highly recommend you check them out in the description of today's episode. So guys, it is that time again where we're going to check on our digital NFT miner from Go Mining. As you guys know, in the past, this is a passive investment that you can purchase that will earn you Bitcoin every single day. And then at the end, or whenever you want, you can always resell your miner and keep whatever rewards that you have earned, because these will consistently earn you rewards based on the terahash. This is the miner that I currently purchase and own. It's the West Collection 5043. We're earning 1 terahash, and you can always upgrade this to earn even more rewards, as I have said time and time again now, but I highly recommend you check them out. Anywho, I just want to show you guys the rewards that I've currently earned. And as you can see from the start, we have, more than one page of earnings since February 28th of 2024. I've consistently been earning these rewards, and as you guys can see, they've been paying out pretty accurately and practically the same amount consistently here, with a total rewards of Bitcoin right here. Obviously, this is not nearly enough Bitcoin to be writing home about, but it does show you that there is proof of concept and that this does work right here. And you can always, like I've said before, either go ahead and, purchase a new miner, or you can always upgrade your current miner. There's tons of miners here that you can purchase. You can obviously go right over here to the primary marketplace. You can create your own miner right here for collection, as well as going over to the secondary marketplace and purchase your own right here, depending on how much. And it is literally that simple and that easy, and you can see how much the anticipated ROI is and the historical ROI, which is super cool. But definitely make sure, if you're looking for another option or opportunity to earn passive income besides just invest, or that differs from, regular trading of cryptocurrency, which has high risk. This is a low risk to reward ratio here that earns you passive income every single day. If that's of interest to you, I highly recommend you check out Go Mining. They've been here through every crypto bull winter for years now, and they are a close partner of mine. But with that being said, check them out with the link down in the description, and let's dive into the technical analysis. So guys, very interesting things are happening across the board here. Yesterday, we made a video showing you guys the ascending broadening wedge forming within XRP, specifically here within this ascending fractal. We anticipated bottom support and reversals to the upside. That's the goal. That's the hope, is that we bottom off and start to head higher here. But as you guys can see, we are consolidating, and with today being closed, we'll see if that actually happens. Doge, as of yesterday, exploded and is continuing to explode. So this was an incredibly easy rally to capitalize on and get in on here. So definitely something to also consider is looking at the meme coins too, because it's not just the the blue chip cryptos that explode to the upside once in a while here. But anywho, quick refresh reveals the markets are down about 0.5%. 82 on the fear and greed. You can already see the consolidation starting to take place. This was over a while ago, probably midweek, but you can see sideways movement. BNB is slowly heading up, but a lot of these cryptos, for the most part, are trading sideways here. Bitcoin is obviously still up quite a bit. 11% for the week, 11% for BNB, 3% for XRP. 45% for Doge, which is beautiful. 52% Bitcoin Cash. Like, a lot of these cryptos are doing well. Over the past 24 hours, not much movement, though, across the board here, and that is okay. We've talked about this a lot, and we don't have any sort of newer patterns here. Maybe there is. Maybe I'm seeing something. No, I don't want to jump the gun there. But I was thinking maybe, like, there's some sort of downtrend here. Like, I could draw like this. It's definitely possible. I don't think it's even worth leaving like that. Ideally, you can see the price ceiling up top here in pink, and that's what we're looking to break through. You can see that we've been consolidating ever since falling down to here. We've been kind of filling in this pattern here, filling in this gap. So what we're looking for conservatively is closure above pink on the daily. You can see we've been rejecting this since the beginning of March. So we've been consistently rejected by this price ceiling. So by the time, if we can break through this, I would expect to see us head up higher, as we've done consistently after bottoming. Every time we bottom, we head up. So I wouldn't be surprised if that same thing happens here. It's going to take a while. It's the daily chart, so that means consolidation is going to take place, but it is a conservative approach nonetheless here. So we've been patiently waiting for red or pink, whatever color you want to call that, to be broken. And once we do break that, then we can expect to see reversals or price swings back up to, I think, 70 cents easily here. But that's just my opinion on the market. That's where I think XRP specifically is going to be moving to. Obviously, there's lots of consolidation between then and now, but it is something to consider. If you want, we could draw this on here, but again, it doesn't really help us in regards to when we're going to be buying in and taking advantage of this. There is a downtrend. There is a support. Maybe we'll fill in here, but again, not what I wanted to do. But again, what we're waiting for is a break above ideally purple, or pink or red before we can buy in and take advantage of the XRP trade. But when we do, we'll be doing so on BidFi, which is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BidFi lets you buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop loss, lets you take profits, lets you trade all your major favorite cryptocurrencies all on one exchange. It is a completely free exchange. Not only that, like I said, they're giving away free cryptocurrency. You might as well take advantage of it, get your free crypto, and then do what you want and do as you will afterwards here. They also have a welcome reward sign-up bonus as well as a demo account. So as you guys can see here, giving away over $2,000 in free cryptocurrency simply by completing the tasks down in the description below. The link is in the description, but they got all these tasks here by clicking welcome rewards. They also have a demo trading account, which lets you practice your trades with $50,000 in Monopoly money, get familiar with the exchange, practice your trades, practice my trades, and then when you're ready, you can switch it over to the live account. Also, they just told me today, I forgot to show you guys, so I'm just going to let you in. They are doing a giveaway. I'll put the link down in the description below, but I'll talk about it more and I'll show you the blueprint tomorrow. Ideally, what they're doing is if you refer people to the exchange, you can earn free crypto in a massive prize pool. I think $20,000 that they're giving away for their 4th year anniversary, which is awesome. So link is in the description, but I'll tell you more about that later on. Anywho, moving forward from that, jumping back in, looking at Solana and these other cryptos, this is what we've been waiting for. And this kind of ends by the latest of the 3rd of April, which would be closer to the end of, this kind of Good Friday weekend that we have here, and then it's decision time. And I'm a big advocate of using Solana. I'm glad you guys told me to check this out more, but you can see Solana is on an uptrend that we have not broken past since February 26. We've been using it as a floor and a support, and you can see we have a price ceiling clear as day here. So markets are consolidating now. We might trend out of it this week, into this weekend here, because there's not really much more room for us to move. So we could slowly move up, or we could just trend flatline right out of it. But ideally, if we break through the blue on the daily charts here, I would be very reluctant to want to buy in with the expectations of us moving further away. But I'm also a bit hesitant that we're going to see something like this. So if we close outside, or we start, I know we're going to probably trend out like this, which would be wonky, but if we start to trend downwards here, we could take a risk with the expectations of correction to take place shortly after. Now, anywho, moving forward from Solana and XRP, looking at Ethereum here, definitely newer movements. We have a newer chart here. We could easily tweak this down, and you can clearly tell now what we're dealing with here. Some sort of fractal. We could even move it like this if you want. It doesn't really matter whether you use a Wix or not, but ideally we're still in this descending fractal. It just needed a little more consolidation. We needed to tweak the charts a hair, mainly because we're still trending outwards here. It was too early for us to decide, but this lower high, lower low movement is a bull flag, and bull flags break bullish. So if we can confirm closure above here, and if you want to play it super conservative, you can obviously cover the wicks. But if we trend out of here and close the daily outside of here, or the 4-hour outside of here, I would expect to see recovery reversals very shortly, especially that we're getting sandwiched between a rock and a hard place with that moving average. Same thing with Bitcoin. I'll jump to the 4-hour chart to give us a better look, but you can start to see that there's some sort of uptrend here for sure, for shizzle. You can see if we jump maybe to the 2-hour, what that's starting to look like. We could extend it downwards. We can put it right here for the time being, but you can slowly see that there's some sort of ascending fractal taking place. We can delete this. We could delete this. We already broke out of that. And you can start to see what ideally is forming here, that there is an uptrend, there is a price floor, 1, 2, 3 confirmations, and there is a price ceiling. And again, we're very close to all-time highs. If we can confirm closure outside of this price ceiling, then we can expect to see a pretty solid run to the upside here. I'm going to move it like that. If we break through this, maybe even if we break through here, we can expect a potential run. Otherwise, blop right back down to the downside. Very easy and simple to figure out. Stock market's been trading sideways here. What I think we're waiting for again is this symmetrical triangle to pan out. Whether or not we dump down or dump up is really what we're waiting for here. But I would think, I also am waiting patiently for this to happen so I can put more money in, but we'll see if it ever happens. With that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.